Mississippi chicken is usually a slow cooker staple known for its buttery, tangy, and slightly spicy profile. Combining those flavors into a chili and serving it over baked potatoes is a brilliant move. It's pure comfort food with a bit of a kick. Here is how to pull off this fusion feast. The recipe: Mississippi chicken chili. This version turns the traditional roast into a hearty chili by adding beans and a bit more liquid, while keeping the big 5 ingredients: ranch, au jus, butter, pepperoncinis, and chicken. Ingredients: chicken, 1.5 lobes chicken breast or thighs, shredded. The flavor base: 1 packet ranch seasoning, 1 packet au jus gravy mix. The fat: 4 TBSP butter, half a stick. The tang: 1 2-cup sliced pepperoncinis, plus 1/4 cup of the brine. The chili elements: 1 diced onion, 2 cans white beans, cannellini or navy, 2 cups chicken broth, and 1 can diced green chilies. Instructions: sauté. In a large pot or Dutch oven, sauté the onion until soft. Combine. Add the chicken, ranch seasoning, au jus mix, chicken broth, green chilies, and pepperoncini brine. Simmer. Cover and simmer for about 20 minutes, if using raw chicken. Once cooked, remove the chicken, shred it with 2 forks, and return it to the pot. Finish. Stir in the beans and the sliced pepperoncinis. Drop the butter on top and let it melt into the chili. Stir until creamy and well combined. Adjust. If it's too thick, add a splash more broth. If you want more heat, add more pepperoncini juice. The perfect baked potato. While the chili simmers, get your vessels ready. Prep. Scrub large russet potatoes and pierce them with a fork. The secret: rub the skins with olive oil and a generous amount of kosher salt. This makes the skin crispy and flavorful. Bake. Place them directly on the oven rack at 400 degrees, 200 degrees, for 45-60 minutes until the insides are fluffy. Assembly and toppings. Slice the potato open, fluff the insides with a fork, and ladle a generous scoop of the Mississippi chicken chili right into the center. Recommended toppings: shredded Monterey Jack or cheddar cheese,